The error code F1 E1 on a KitchenAid oven indicates a fault with the Oven Appliance Manager control or the associated wiring, which is the most common cause of this error. To fix it, start by resetting the oven. Disconnect it from the power supply by unplugging it or turning off the circuit breaker. Wait for at least a minute to allow the unit to reset. Then reconnect to the power supply and switch it on. Monitor the oven for some time to see if the error reoccurs. If it does, you may need to replace the oven control. For further diagnosis and repair, contact the manufacturer's customer service. In the USA, call 1-800-422-3010. And in Canada, call 1-800-807-6777. If the issue persists, it's best to seek assistance from the manufacturer to resolve the problem.